ZY, waiting for you at IFA.
Hi.
ZY LCD Factory will attend the IFA Berlin 2024, and please let's show you the ZY company, ZY LCD Factory and ZY's products, LCD screens part by part. Welcome to ZY LCD Factory. It is located in the high-tech zone of Shanwei City, covering an area around 36,000 square meters. ZY, founded in 2007, which is an innovative technology enterprise that provides a full range of road and production of mobile phone LCD screens worldwide.